There's Remington and Dexter, also known as Buster Douglas. But this is a 2005 Chevy Silverado C10 crew cab. I bought at the auction for $500. And I bought it just for the tailgate. I needed a tailgate, and I was like, I needed a tailgate. That was it. Needed a tailgate and a back bumper. And this one had a tailgate and a back bumper. It was perfect. So I was like, cool. And the taillights, I don't think the taillights were gone. Yeah, no taillights. And all the windows were rode down, and the guy had put he does that for me. He rolls all the windows down and put plastic over them. So I thought all the windows were broke out, and so did everybody else. But he had plastic all over every which way, and there was no hood or fender or headlights or grill or bumper. And there was no wheels. That's right, there was no wheels on this truck. And he had the top all wrapped up in plastic, so you couldn't see what was really going on in there. All you could do is check the oil here and there. About it. But anyways, I was just like, oh cool, got this truck. $500 and some. And I get it home. Oh, and it had some nice pipes on it too. I didn't see that at the auction because it was on the ground. Then them wheels right there, they came off of the truck that's over there, a 2007 GMC c1500 V6 with 46,000 miles on it. And I got that truck for $500 also. But these wheels were on that. They look like this. They can be shined up even better than this, but they looked all yucky, but I knew what they were. I was like, oh, they'll polish up. So it was really funny. The Teddy Shackle was in the auction, and he's whining about wanting a set of chrome wheels. And he tried bidding up this pretty nice 2002 Chevy pickup, and Mark from Northwest got it. But he bid that damn truck up to $1,700 to get them stupid wheels. And then I bought that truck, and I was like, looked at Teddy, and I was like, are you looking for a good set of wheels? He's like, yeah, I'm looking for a good set. I was like, you just missed a set on this truck. I showed him the picture of the truck. He's like, what? You just bought that truck? I'm like, yeah. You want to sell the wheels? No. But anyways, I got this truck, and this truck's from Georgia. But anyways, it's got the LS interior, super clean. So anyways, besides getting sidetracked on my story telling about my wheels, I got it home, and I'm like, how in the hell am I going to get this off my damn trailer? And so I went and got a battery and stuck in it. Oh, it ain't gonna start. Nah, if it would have rolled over one more time, it would have started. But well, I was gonna do a cold start on it for you, but it's got true dual exhaust. None of this single into dual shit. It's got true dual exhaust, straight pipes, no cats, no mufflers, and it cackles like crazy. All that popping and crackling, all the kids love them. Just does all that. Okay. Well, anyways, so much for the cold start. I guess we'll call this a cold no start. Okay, anyways, comment, like, and subscribe and all that good stuff, you know. And I'll do a cold start on this. Maybe it won't be a no start. Okay, bye.